Hello, amazing students. I, Akanksha Gandhi, as a part of ITRC Technologies Private Limited, are going to give you technical presentation on active listening. So let's begin our presentation with what is active listening. Active listening is a technique that is used in counseling, training, and solving disputes or conflicts. It requires that the listener fully concentrate, understand, respond, and remember what is being said, which means that when you are in a full concentration or you're concentrating in something, that is, if you're focused in something, you are able to understand things in a more proper manner, in a more good manner. And when you're able to understand all these things in a good, in a better manner, you are able to provide feedback easily and more quickly. It is a technique which is used in counseling, in trainings, and in solving conflicts or disputes that took place. So let's move on towards the next slide, which explains us about active listening techniques. So active listening techniques include building trust and establishing rapport. Rapport means a good relationship. So, good relationship can only be established where there is a trust. So, for that, you have to maintain a good trust to maintain a good rapport. Next is demonstrating concern. Demonstrating concern means when you're demonstrating something, it should be related to the topic, which creates interest in the listener so that he or she is able to grasp things in a more interested manner. Next is paraphrasing, a restatement in different words to show understanding. Paraphrasing means, for example, I have understood something and the same I have to tell to my friend. So for that, whatever I've understood, I will be going to tell my friend in a different manner. That is, I understood, I grasped in Excel what the speaker has said or what I have understood, and the same I'm going to tell my friend but using my own words. Next is non-verbal cues, which shows understanding, such as nodding, eye contact, and leaning forward. Nodding, eye contact, and leaning forward shows the listener or the speaker that the listener is interested, and the speaker also that he or she is demonstrating, or whatever he or she is demonstrating, that is creating interest among the uh, viewers. Next is pre-verbal affirmation like I see you, I know, sure, thank you, or I understand, helps the speaker to uh, to provide vibes that you are understanding, you are interested, and you are focused and concerned about what they are demonstrating, as shown in figure active listening. I hope you like the technical presentation on active listening. Thank you and have a nice day.